Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download the Spotify app on your Android device. So without wasting any other time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all you need to do is go and click on your Play Store. Once you're in your Play Store, on your search button, search for Spotify. Once you type in Spotify, it will lead you to its page. So simply click on the Spotify Music and Podcast and click on the install button. Once you click on it, in matter of seconds, it will start to download in your device. Once it's downloaded, it will start to install and redirect you to a security scan. So once you're done with the security scan, all you need to do is press on the open button and you will be redirected to the Spotify app. So to check where your Spotify app is, just go back and search through your home screen and you will find it right there. I hope this video was helpful to you. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.